Hey everybody, Mr. Cameron here, and today I'm going to show you a game called Zig Zag Hockey. Zig Zag Hockey. Now for this game you are going to need a little bit of equipment. First thing you're going to need is something that you can use for a hockey stick. I have a hockey stick here at school, but if you don't have one at your house, you can find something to use instead. Maybe a broom, or maybe something similar to a broom, something that has a long handle and then something at the bottom that you can control a ball with. Alright? Next, you're going to need some kind of ball. I'm just going to use this small blue rubber ball, but any other ball that will roll on the floor will work just fine. Next, you're going to need 3 landmarks. I'm going to use these 3 blue cones, and that's just going to be something that you can put on the ground that you can work on dribbling or controlling your ball around. And then finally, you're going to need either a towel or a t-shirt, and I rolled mine up into a long rolled up line that looks like this. This is going to be my goal. This is what I'm going to be shooting at. This is just going to be laying on the floor flat like that. Now, the purpose of this game is to practice controlling the ball with a hockey stick or a broom. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the ball over here to this side. I'm going to control the ball in zigzag around those 3 cones. Once I get around the last cone, I'm just going to move over to the side and I'm going to take a shot, sliding my ball on the floor, trying to make it touch any part of this t-shirt. Okay? Now if it rolls over the t-shirt, that's okay. That still counts as a point. If it hits the t-shirt and stops, that's great. That counts as a point too. But if you miss and the ball rolls right through here and does not touch the t-shirt, it does not count as a point. Okay? So what I want you to do is set a timer for yourself for 1 minute. And I want you to see how many goals you can score in that 1 minute. So I'm going to put the ball over here on this side, even with my t-shirt. And when the timer starts, I'm going to begin zigzagging around these cones. So on your mark, get set, go. So I'm going to control the ball and zigzag around the cones, going this way and this way. Until finally I make it around the last one. I'm going to move my ball over, take my shot. Now, my ball went right over the top of that shirt, so that counts as 1 point. Then I'm going to quickly get my ball and do the same thing. Weaving around those cones, stop my ball, take a shot, hits the t-shirt, 2 points. Now I'll show you what happens if you miss. Weave around, get over here, and now let's say I take my shot and I miss. It did not touch the t-shirt, so that does not count as a goal. So I would keep going, but I would be still at 2 goals. Okay, you can time yourself for 1 minute, see how many goals you get. If you want to do it longer and time yourself for 2 minutes and see how many goals you get, that's fine. This is a game you can do all by yourself, or you can do it once and then challenge somebody in your house to do it as well and see if they can beat your score. Okay, have fun. I'll see you soon.